So the fire extinguisher needs to be mounted in the front footwell. We found that this was the best place for it because any other location there was kind of plates underneath or parts of the chassis underneath that didn't allow it. So just get it as close to the passenger seat frame as you can in this orientation. Then the two pull cords can run neatly down and around. The pipe work needs to be done to the FIA papers that come with the fire extinguisher. So it's 2 nozzles in the car, 4 nozzles in the engine bay. So as you can see, we come out of the extinguisher into a T. The right pipe goes across to the driver where the 2 nozzles are. The left pipe comes up here, and then we made a hole underneath the scuttle panel where the pipe goes through to then do the 4 nozzles in the engine bay. So 3 along here, and then 1 in the back of the scuttle plate here. The aluminium pipe runs all the way around the outside to this nozzle and then back, like where I showed on the inside, down the pillar. The radio panel, so we haven't actually made anything for that. All we've done is remove the radio from behind and then reuse the front plate, and then where one of the buttons came through, we've put the pull cord for the kill switch, and then we've made another hole for the fire extinguisher pull cord. Obviously, as you can see, if you've got a close eye, we're missing a solderless nipple for that. We have got them on order. The pull cords come through into the scuttle. There's no need to make any bracket. They've actually bolted to the original, one of the original brackets that the scuttle bolts to. So they're really solid and good. And then we've just slotted the scuttle plate. Obviously pull it. Those 2 pull cords both work. We've left about 1 inch worth of slack in both of them because these kind of pull cords, when they get wet and weathered on, they tend to get stuck. So I've told Connor that if you leave 1 inch on them once a week or twice a week, whenever you think about it, just work them up and down by the inch, and then that will stop them from getting seized.